In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a TikTok video to your friend. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok account and then scroll until you find that video. So let's say this is the video. You want to click on this arrow thingy. Then you have few options: repost, WhatsApp, copy link, Telegram. Let's say we just want to copy link. Link has been copied. Now if I want to send that video to my friend, I will just go to the messages, paste, and then send that to them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.